Want to learn how to turn this pile of scrap into this useful table clamp? Stick around. You're going to want to cut 3 of these pieces at 4 inches each. I'm just using some rebar I had laying around. And then you're going to want 2 of these pieces at 5 inches. Here I'm just marking my flat bar at 1.5 inches, and you're going to need 3 of them, and a couple pieces of square tubing. Just getting the pieces cut to size. Just cleaning up the ends here so I have some bare metal to weld to. Going to do the same with these little pieces. I'm just going to clean up the sides of them and make sure I have some clean metal in the middle by removing the rust in the mill scale. Here I'm just tacking it on and throwing down a solid bead so I know it won't go anywhere when I'm using the clamp. Here I'm making sure to thread the nut onto the end of the threaded rod. It helps it maintain its shape while I'm welding it and applying a ton of heat. Here I'm just making sure it still moves and I haven't fused it together. Just putting the rebar pieces on the square tubing. I just tack it into place, and once I'm happy with the alignment, I go around and weld it fully. Do the same with the other. Make sure that they're even and about 90 degrees to each other.